How's going on? So we are talking about our first chapter. The name of our chapter is Computer and Electronic Device. Till now we have studied uses of computer, difference between man and computer, working cycle of computer, input, output and process devices. Now working of computer with an example. Now at the last, after finishing all these topics, now we have started our book exercise. In that today we are going to cover the filling the blanks. Okay. Yesterday only I told you you have to try to solve this exercise and you have to get ready with your answers. Today I'm going to tell you the answers so you can match with your answers and you can find yourself whether you have understood the topic or not. Okay, if you have not understood the topic, again you will go and play the video. Okay, so let's start with our today's topic, that is filling the blanks. Okay, so first question we are having, filling the blanks using the words given in the hint box. So these are the questions and you also having a hint also at the downside, so you can take a help of hint also, right? So first question is, a man can take his own dash. Okay, a man can take his own. So you are having 6 options. First is input, process, fast, entertainment, decisions, text and pictures. So in this topic we have seen in the difference between a man and computer. So in that we have studied that the man can take his own decision, whereas computer does not take his own decision. So this topic, this is we have covered in the topic difference between man and computer. I hope this question is clear to all of you, right? Next question we are having, the data that we enter into the computer is known as. The data that we enter into the computer is known as. So this one we have studied in that topic, working cycle of computer. In that I told you the data which we are entering into the computer, that is called input. Input is the data which you are entering into the computer. So data could be anything, number, digits, images, anything. Okay, so we are having third question, dash and dash in a computer can be presented in a beautiful way. What things we can represent, we can show in a beautiful manner, and the answer is text and pictures. We can display our text and pictures in a beautiful manner with the help of computer, right? Next we are having, a computer works very fast. This topic also we have covered in the difference between man and computer. So computer can works very fast as compared to a man. So right answer is fast. Fifth one, working of the data is called. Working of the data is called. When CPU is working on any data, what it is called? Yes, it is called processing. It is called processing. So when CPU works on any data, it is called processing. Okay. Next, a computer is a good source of. A computer is a good source of dash. So it's a common sense. Only entertainment is left. So this will be the answer. But let me tell you what is the meaning of this question. A computer is a good source of entertainment. Yes. Because of computer, you people are getting entertained. Because of computer, you can watch movies, you can listen music, you can play games, you can do lots of things which makes you feel happy. and after doing that you are having a fun also. So that is the meaning of entertainment. So computer, yes, computer gives you a facility of entertainment, right? So let me tell you again the answers of this, all these fill-ups. The first answer is decision. The second answer is input. The third answer is text and pictures. The fourth answer is fast. The fifth answer is processing. And the sixth answer is entertainment. Okay? One more time, you want answer? Okay. So first one is decisions. Second one is input. Third one is text and pictures. Fourth one is fast. Fifth one is processing. And the last one, sixth one is entertainment. Okay, I hope you understood this fill up. Tomorrow video we will have with this true and false. So get ready with your answers, and then you can tell your answers with my answer. Okay, so till then, thank you.